good afternoon, good evening, good morning, any part of the world you are watching me. This is your lovely Rector Engineer Lafiaji Factory. That's real estate investment guy, real estate investment consultant guy. Loving this place right now. This is the customer located in Orchid, Lekki, very close to Cooplag Estate, just outside adjacent. That's Cooplag over there. Cooplag is adjacent to this estate. Today is an open house, and that's why I'm connecting with you to show you this open house that is taking place here. We have various types of houses covered there, various house types. We have the 4-bedroom terrace duplex, the 4-bedroom terrace castle duplex plus a BQ. We also have the 4-bedroom semi-detached castle duplex plus BQ, and also 4-bedroom fully detached castle duplex plus BQ. We also covered apartment like 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartment. So I'll be going inside now, inside the estate, to show you what is going on presently in this event. Please ensure you follow me to the end, ensure you watch this video today so that you can see what we are doing here today. Today is an open house. One of the 4-bedroom fully detached will be shown to you. I'll be showing you the 4-bedroom fully detached castle duplex with the VQ, which is currently selling at 85 million naira. And you can spread your balance and you can spread your payment for as much as 18 months. Just ensure you watch this video so that I can take you through. I remember your wonderful Rector, that most trusted Rector in Duplexes. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right now. Kindly do so right now. And if you have not called me before, kindly pick up your phone and call me through the number on the screen. Okay, I'll be turning my camera around now just to show you the gist of what is going on at this event. Hello everyone, if you are yet to invest in this property, if you have yet to put your money in this piece of real estate, in the apartment, in the duplexes, in the terraces, you are not yet putting your money in the right place. Here we are offering good deal for you. You can buy a property here, you can use it for Airbnb and be generating over 10 million naira in a year, even at 60% occupancy. Yes, I mean it. You can call me for more details. So let me take you inside so that you can see what this piece of property look like. Beautiful. Trust me, you're gonna love this beautiful piece of real estate. Just follow me and ensure you watch this video to the end. This is the sample of the 4-bedroom fully detached castle duplex with a BQ. Okay, let me show you around. Today is the open house and we are having a lot of fun here. This is not a piece of opportunity you have to miss out of. This is so beautiful, so cute. Everything used in this place, they are top-notch. Quality material, quality delivery. You can see the spacious kitchen, and we have a lot of balconies within this estate whereby you can have a view of the environment. You can have a view. That's Cooplag Garden over there. It's a powerful estate very close to the customer. So let me take you up so that you can see more details. Keep watching this video. All you need to do is the deposit. If you are going for the duplexes, 10 million naira deposit, and spread your balance as much as 6 to 12 months. And with the apartment, you can deposit a minimum of 5 million naira while you spread your balance just up to 6 to 12 months. So what are you waiting for? This is one of the safest deals in town. Like I told you, you already know, this channel is where you get the best and the safest deals, and you don't want to miss out of this latest one. Please take advantage. Some of my clients that bought earlier, they are still very happy, and if you are still buying now, you are still buying below the market value, because this project is still selling as off plan, and if you are buying right now, you are still one of the smartest investors in town. Okay, see the view of this estate, beautiful ambience. You can see it's a developed community, so it's a place you can buy, and the moment your property is handed over to you, you can start raving here right away. Can you see the rooms are so spacious, they are sizable, all rooms ensue, so you can become a proud owner of a duplex or an apartment within the Cooplag Estate. All you need to do is just give me a call right away via the number on your screen. Please call me right now, so before the prices increases, because you know inflation keeps affecting things. Tell you that's the truth. You see, the exchange rate keep affecting prices of building material, and you know these are new buildings, these are new structure ongoing, the construction are still going, so you can't just stop keeping your price at the old one. So please, all you need to do is make your down payment to key in. Let me help you through the process of securing a home here. You can buy for your family to live here, you can buy to keep generating rental income, you can buy for Airbnb, you can buy for a short let. It's a win-win deal for you. This is an estate, and this is kings and queens are welcome here. This is built for luxury. This is built for everybody that love luxury. So we are still considering early investors. You can still be part of the early investors in this project. So you can key in while it's still affordable and available. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video on the Cooplag located in Orchid, Lekki. Okay, thank you for watching this open house event. It's been an awesome time. I love you, I so much appreciate you, and remember, it's better to invest earlier. The best time to invest in a property like this is when it's still selling as off plan, because you'll be buying lower than the market value. Right now, the 4-bedroom terrace Castle Duplex plus a BQC is selling for 65 million naira, while the 4-bedroom Castle Semi-Detached Castle Duplex is still selling for 75 million naira, while the Fully-Detached 4-bedroom Castle Duplex plus BQ is selling for 85 million naira. And you can spread your balance as much as 6 months, 12 months to 18 months. You can do 18 months till the month of May, that is May 4th. From May 4th, the payment plan, the maximum payment plan will be 12 months. And we also have 1-bedroom apartment which is selling for 25 million naira, and the 2-bedroom apartment selling for 40 million naira. You can deposit a minimum of 5 million naira on the apartment, while on the duplexes, terraces, you can deposit a minimum of 10 million naira, and you can spread your payment. Oh, someone is asking what is the title on the property. The title on the property is governor's consent. Okay, all right, thank you for watching the video. I love you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Till next time, see, you know what to do. Please don't forget to call me, don't forget to refer people to me, don't stop checking on me, don't stop asking and making those inquiries. I love you. Till next time, we see you again. Bye.